Hello, I'm Pavel Pratyush. I'm one of the head of engineering at ManoMano, the European leader specializing in DIY, home improvement and gardening. ManoMano is a unique company. It has an unmatched catalog of 10 million products and its 3,600 cherry-picked partner sellers, basically enabling ManoMano to provide a best-in-class experience and services for its B2B and B2C customer base, as well as its sellers in the European markets. And basically dedicating services to empower our sellers' businesses to thrive in those markets. ManoMano has developed its own technology and has one-of-a-kind customer and seller-centric innovations, such as really high-quality bespoke advice through its network of Mano advisors, as we call them, a community of experts who are really available online to support customers on their projects and purchases. So just to give you an example, we had around 2.3 million conversations in 2020 between Mano advisors and our customers. Also, we have an innovation called Mano Fulfillment. It is really a category-specific logistics service that we operate in France, Spain, and Italy. The fast-paced growth is also supported by really a talented team of around 800 people. And we are really growing our team right now, trying to attract the best talent from all over. So the goal is to recruit around 1,000 people by the end of 2022. So the business growth at ManoMano is really driven by innovations in tech, and that's why we are really looking for both business and tech roles across all our locations, right from incredible seller support personnel to the best software architects out there. On the technical side, we expect people to have a solid understanding of the core concepts around their role. So for example, our front-end stack is based on React. We also have a polyglot distributed systems architecture on the back end where we use a combination of Java, Golang, and PHP. So if you are interested in working with us on the back-end side, we would expect you to have a solid understanding around the concepts of those languages. We also work in a microservices architecture, so if you're thinking about being an architect at ManoMano, we would really expect you to have expertise in that area as well. On the soft skill side, as ManoMano is a young company but still very international, having a good command over the English language is needed because English is the working language at ManoMano. Barcelona is a city that is very, very welcoming in nature. And that's why it really attracts a lot of talent, not just from Europe, but all across the world. ManoMano specifically has great plans for expanding its offices in Barcelona as well. We plan to double the total size of our team here, basically taking it to over 200 people by the end of the year. We want to scale our team. We want to have a really great presence here in the Barcelona ecosystem. We have a truly international environment as well in the Barcelona office. So to give you an example, we have over 20 nationalities working at Barcelona. So that's why we are looking for more and more diverse people to come join us and help us grow.